Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into the YouTube account you plan to change. Make sure two-step verification is ready if required. Once signed in, decide which version you want, mobile app, desktop classic, or YouTube Studio Beta, because each path differs. While you gather that, backup key playlists and settings. This prevents surprises. Don't delay. Open the app or browser now and move immediately to the next step, changing settings or installing a specific app build. You now perform the heavier work. Install or toggle the version you chose. For mobile, open Play Store or App Store, opt into beta or sideload a verified APK. Make sure unknown sources are secure. For desktop, request the desktop site, clear cache, or disable UI modifying extensions to restore default behavior. For YouTube Studio, go to Settings and enable beta or join testing. Once done, restart the app or browser so the new build or setting fully takes effect. You finish by confirming everything works. Check playback, uploads, analytics, and the new UI. If something fails, clear cache and app data, then reinstall the target version or roll back to the previous stable release. Make sure to test on a second device before making permanent changes across accounts. If the problem persists, disable add-ons or undo recent system updates that might conflict. Finally, document the steps you took. This helps you repeat success or reverse changes quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.